Hello, my name is Marshall Shepard, and I'm going to be walking you through this session. In case you didn't know, we are going to be testing a website to see how everyday people will use it, and if there are any improvements we could make. I want to make it clear right away that we are testing the site, not you. You can't do anything wrong here. My purpose is simply to observe you as you answer our questions to see how you navigate the site. The goal of this test is to figure out if we could make things easier to find or improve the site in some other ways to clarify its purpose. Therefore, your honesty is crucial. Don't worry about hurting our feelings, because your honesty is the best way to improve the website. As we go along, I'm going to ask you to think out loud, to tell me what's going through your mind. This will help us greatly. If you have any questions, just ask. I may not be able to answer them right away, since we are interested to see how people will do when they don't have somebody helping them, but I will try to answer any questions you still have when we are done. You may have noticed the camera. With your permission, we are going to record what happens on the computer screen and what you say. The recordings will be used only to help us figure out how to improve the site. It also helps me because I don't have to take as many notes. Thank you very much. Okay, so now that you're on the home page, I'm going to ask you a few questions. What is the first thing that catches your eye about this site?
I think the prompt logo and the globe.
Okay. What is your first impression of the site?
It looks pretty clean and simple.
On a scale of 1 being bad and 10 being great, how would you rate the site and why?
Just the visual aspect of it?
Yeah.
I would rate it maybe like a 7, because I think it is simple. I think the art is nice, but it's not like, beautiful.
What do you think of the color scheme? Do you think it fits the site?
Yeah.
And when you first came on this site, what would you click on first? What do you think is when you click on?
I would probably go up to the menu and try to find what I was looking for.
Okay, so now a couple questions to see if you can find things. Can you find the telephone number for sales for me?
Sure. Um, 802-796-3760.
Yes, great. So now, is there a place that you could find out where to get a discount at Prompt?
Alrighty.
Great.
There we go.
Can you find me a place where you see an example of what the table of Prompt Pay Planner would look like?
The table?
Yeah, like in Prompt Pay Planner, there are tables. Can you find like an example of like an example look?
This?
Yep, perfect. Okay, so if you were interested in learning more about Prompt and maybe wanted to try a demo out or something, where would you find this information on the page or on the website?
I wanted to find... Sorry, can you ask that question?
Yeah. If you wanted to find out more about Prompt Pay Planner and maybe try a demo out, where'd you go?
Let's see. Oh, here we go.
Perfect. Can you tell me the other products that are developed by Prompt Incorporated? Yep, that's one of them. Can you find the other one?
Is it under here? Let's see.
Great. Now, can you just browse around a little bit and narrate what you're doing and why you're doing it and stuff that you would like or would change or doesn't fit or something?
Sure. Well, I'm just looking at the home page just to learn a little bit about what Prompt is. And it's pretty simple. I like that the contact information is very easily found. I think if you didn't know too much about the company, I'm not sure what CS195 requirement is, but maybe if you were a computer person, you might know what that means. But I like that there's a frequently asked questions. That's usually where you can find a lot of stuff if you're confused.
Great. So a few final questions. Do you think the site looks credible and professional?
Yes, definitely.
Did you find all the information that you read clear and straightforward?
Mm-hmm.
And are there any changes that you would make to what you've seen?
Not that I can think of right now. It seems pretty simple.
Well, great. Thank you very much.
Thanks.